The length of the wire between the two ends of a sonometer is 100 centimeter. What should be the position of two bridges below the wire so that the three segments of the wire have their fundamental frequencies in the ratio 1:3:5? Okay, we know the sonometer, how it works. That means the instrumental setup. Once again, we are going to observe here. This is the sonometer. Observe means the wire, the distance from one end to another end, there is total L is equal to 100 centimeter. And on what position we are going to fix these two bridges, we need to find here. Okay, and the length of the three segments are L1, L2, L3, and these three segments are in the ratio of 1:3:5 ratio. Then among these four options, which is the right option we need to find here? Okay, we know that the fundamental frequencies are in the ratio of 1:3:5. Then I can write that is L1, L2, and L3. It is in the ratio of 1:3:5. Then we know that the frequency there is F is equal to 1 upon L. That is, frequency is directly proportional to the length here. Then I can write this one as L1 is to L2 is to L3 is equal to 1 upon 1 is to 1 upon 3 is to 1 upon 5. But we also know one of the condition in the ratios, that is, ratios are never in terms of fractions. We cannot define the ratio in terms of fraction. If you want to find this number exactly, then we need to take the LCM and find the answer. Or else if you want to find the first ratio, close this number and multiply these two numbers. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. And if you want to find the second one, you just close this 3 and 1 into 5 is equal to 5. And if you want to find the third number, that is 1/5, you just close this number and 1 into 3 is equal to 3. So this is also the ratio. There is L1 is to L2 is to L3 is now 15 is to 5 is to 3. We got this ratio. Okay. And if anything they are given in terms of ratio, it is not a original number. That also we know. That means this is not the original number. Then if you want to find the original number, we are supposed to take some constant variable. That is a 15. I can take the constant variable that is equal to x. 15x is to 5x is to 3x. If I find the value of the x here, then if I want to substitute, I am getting the original value. Okay. Then we can write this one as a 15x plus 5x plus 3x. Total 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. The total distance is equal to 100. Then x is equal to, I can write it as 100/23. This is the x value. If I substitute this x value in this original ratio 15, 5 and 3, I am getting the value L1 is to L2 is to L3 is equal to 15 into 100, that is equal to 1500 divided by 23. And second one is 5 into 100 is 500 divided by 23. And third one is 3 into 100 is 300 divided by 23. Now, if I move to observe here, the first bridge we can place at 500 into 23, that is at this position is 1500 upon 23. And this distance between is 500/23 means I need to add 1500 plus 500. That becomes the position. The first bridge position is 1500 divided by 23. And the second bridge position is 1500 and the remaining, the distance is 500. I can write 1500 plus 500. That is equal to 2000 divided by 23. These are the position of the bridges. So from these four options, this is wrong. And this is also the wrong. This is wrong. And option D is the right answer.